Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you how you can create the most recent popular Instagram story um, or with iPhone. So here you just need to open your Instagram application. So the newest feature or the update, the most popular Instagram story right now is adding the shake refill frame to refill the picture. So the picture that you add could be like blurred or covered. Then if someone wants to see the picture, they need to shake their phone. If you want to get those type of story, you just need to open your Instagram and swipe into the right side. Now you just need to add the picture that you want to use as the background. Let's say I would like to use this for the background. And if you want to get those feature like frames and shakes to refill, so you just need to go click this frames. Pick the picture that you want to add right here. Now add the captions too. And now you just need to go click done. So we also need to replace or that positioning this picture as well as the size if you want. Right after you're done, you just have to go click add to your story and you just need to wait until it's perfectly uploaded. Now whenever someone's seeing your story, the look will be like right here like that, and then if they want to know the picture on the frame, they need to shake their phone. I will like shake my phone and then the picture it will be like pop up. So that's the way how you can get those type of Instagram story that is popular these days. Hopefully you enjoyed this video guys, so let's meet again into other tutorial.